All right, all right. We have a lot of viewers today. Romulus is joining us. Come on, hurry, please. It's 1:45 a.m. here. Need to get some sleep. Hi, Sir Chill. Thoughts on SLP? Is this the time you will live every day? So this is just an emergency update. I usually go on live evening time, 7 p.m. GMT. Crypto market. Hi, everyone. No voice, no sound. I think our sound is okay now. So Bitcoin is trading at around $42,000, and I have received a lot of message from my friends from in our VIP Discord on Telegram. Like a lot of messages. My phone didn't stop on ringing, guys. Hello, Chill. Congrats on your anniversary. And by the way, if you are following me on Twitter, guys. It's actually, I have a lot of notifications here. So if you are following me on Twitter, it's actually my Bitcoin anniversary, guys. Bitcoin anniversary. This is the time. It's actually UAE National Day, December 2, when I bought $10,000 worth of Bitcoin. So December 2, when Bitcoin was trading at around $16,000. And right now I have already made like more than 2x of my initial investment on Bitcoin. Not only that, but I have also longed Bitcoin, guys, from $16,000 when majority was calling for $10,000. So, what will be the next target for Bitcoin? And by the way, if you are in our Discord, group, most, if not all, of our trades are already in profit. Like this, ETC have hit the final target today. Ethereum, we are at 2,250, I guess. Solana is also up. Most of our trades are up. ETC, this was the initial entry here. Where is our Ethereum long position? Ethereum is almost near 2,300. So congratulations. Most of our trades are up. Audio, please. We cannot hear you. I think it's working. Where's my gift? Let me know, guys, in the comments section. Can you hear me now? Let me just... All right, we have audio. So here, what is happening with Bitcoin right now? Trading at 41,500. So if you have watched my previous stream, I have discussed that no trade zone for Bitcoin. We need to wait. No short position, rather, for Bitcoin. We have to wait for a confirmation, guys. Good morning, legends. Today, I have posted in our Discord all long near the final TP. No short. No short until we see a confirmation. And by the way, all charts and TA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. If you are new to the channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and of course, click that notification bell because if you are into crypto, if you are trading crypto, I am sharing my daily chart analysis in most of the major altcoins and of course Bitcoin. So these are just some, guys, before we proceed with Bitcoin analysis. And let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below, or if you have any chart request. I'm having my coffee here and not feeling well today because the weather is very cold. And of course, it's a holiday in UAE. But in Bitcoin, Bitcoin doesn't have a holiday, guys. Bitcoin continues to pump even on the weekend. So this is the Bitcoin's chart, guys. And these are the Fibonacci levels. Fibonacci retracement levels for Bitcoin. So we are going to discuss Bitcoin's possible target and when should we short Bitcoin. Right now, it's not the time. We need to wait. I will share with you what are the signs and, of course, what are the candles or candle formations that we need to keep an eye on and possible signals before we enter a short position. Emmanuel, yes, loud and clear. Karina, morning from Cyprus, my favorite trader. Thank you for joining me today, guys. We'll work on Emirates soon. Wow. Congratulations. Congratulations. Where's that? I can't find my congratulations. Congratulations to Look A. What else do we have here? So let's go back to the chart, guys. This is just an emergency update, so let's make this very, very quick. Here are the previous during the weekend before. I think I have posted most of these charts Friday. So these are one ETC. ETC. So this was the chart or I have actually cut the videos into small portions. So ETC, this was the initial entry, and this was the update right now. Final target hit for ETC. Trade was very successful. Initial entry was perfect. Likely target was it, as what I've told you, 80% chance of hitting this target at around $20. But the ideal breakout target remains at 21 up to $22 for ETC. But again, you have lesser chance here of hitting this target for ETC. So if you're holding the trade, I have already closed my trade because it's already in profit. If you're still holding it, you can take some profit and move your stop loss above your entry right now. So you can move it maybe around 19.2. In that way, you can secure the trade 100%. All right. So next one is, what do we have here? I have shared, by the way, most of these videos on my Twitter account. So feel free to follow me if you haven't already. Next one is ARB, guys. This was the exact chart and the video analysis for ARB. So let me just play this very, very quick, guys. Range is too big. ARB. I would wait for the oscillator to, let's check the daily time frame. This could be our target here. All right. Let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. So a possible price action for ARB. This will be our major resistance here, and this will be our take profit zone for ARB, guys. Again, price to hit this support here because the oscillator on the 4-hour time frame is already in the overbought area, so we might see a possible correction here. But this is so that was the setup for ARB, guys. So long position at around this area, and right now we have hit our final target. So congratulations to all who were able to get into the trade, guys. Congratulations. All our trades are up right now and in a very, very good profit. So be sure that you are on the right, if you are following the right persons. If you are new into crypto and if you are new to trading, because if you are following the wrong person, main idea. Yeah. If you know what I'm talking about. Main idea for Ethereum. Main idea for Bitcoin. I have posted actually a chart. Look at this, guys. Are you ready for 11,000 BTC or 12,000? Do you think this will play out? By the way, this is not my chart. Just a disclaimer. This is not my chart, guys. Let me know in the comment or in the chat section down below. Are we going to see this kind of ABC correction? So there's no any supports here. Just a straight line from 39,762 down to $11,000 BTC. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think? We have a chart request from Luling Hayao, SLP. All right. I think let's check SLP after all the updates, guys. So we had all of this. Let me go through this very quickly, and then we'll proceed with the chart request. So ARB final target hit. DYDX is still pumping. If you're holding the trade, congratulations. Take some profit because right now the price is on the breaker block. But this will remain the same. 3.6 up to 3.7 remains as the final target. Medium term. Short term target already hit for DYDX. Congratulations. AVAX is still pumping here, breaking out from the falling wedge pattern, and right now it's up by 10% from our initial entry. And here are, I've already shared this one, but most of our trades in the VIP Discords are in Discord are all up. So Ethereum is almost near the final target, guys. Let's move on to Bitcoin and Bitcoin. My goodness, Bitcoin right now is on approaching the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, guys. I think Solana is hoping for El Capo. Capo is always right. So I think majority have tweeted the El Capo chart. If you're following El Capo, congratulations as well. I hope you learn from your mistakes, because we are still in this journey, guys. Learning process is a journey. We need to learn every day. So the next possible resistance that I'm looking at for BTC, for me, I will not short BTC right now. Rather, also I would not enter a long position at around this area, but I am just holding my spot position for long term. So my spot position, I have moved my BTC out of the exchange, move it on my Trust wallet, move it on Ledger. In that case, I will not be able to sell it anytime, because if my Bitcoin is inside the exchange, then I will be tempted to sell it, especially right now. I will be tempted to sell my BTC, especially looking at the price. I have already made more than 2x on my initial investment. I will be really tempted to sell my BTC. That's why I have moved it on Trust Wallet and on my Ledger, because if my cryptos are on my cold storage, I tend to get lazy to transfer and sell them. So they will stay there until 2025. And BTC right now, this will be the major resistance. And before we proceed, guys, don't forget to smash that like button if you appreciate this kind of content. Don't forget to support the channel, smash that like. And if you're new to the channel, click that notification bell so you won't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. But correction is still needed, 30 to 31K. Let's see what will be the target, just in case we see a correction for Bitcoin. Again, a healthy correction is needed, but we need to wait, guys, because if you FOMO, if you rush into a decision, then most likely that's the time we commit mistakes. So the next zone resistance will be at around this level, guys. We have several rejections or pivot points at around this area. Actually, this can still go up to this level. What is this? 61.8. Fibonacci golden ratio, or Fibonacci 61.8 retracement level for BTC is still at 48,654 area. By the way, let's check CoinGlass for liquidation heat map. Let's check this very quick. Liquidation heat map. All right, let's check the 12-hour time frame. Let's find the, or let me check Bookmap as well. Main idea. CME gap around 40K. So according to Look A, there is a CME gap at around 40,000. Let's open Bitcoin CME. So again, guys, for Bitcoin, if you're going to zoom out on the daily time frame, these are the Fibonacci retracement level, and 61.8 is still at 48,650. And right now, this will be the possible next target and possible resistance area for Bitcoin, guys. This is actually a huge range because we have this candle wicks up to this level here. So that would bring Bitcoin even up to $45,000. And this pivot point here, last March 2022, is in confluence with the Bitcoin 61.8 golden ratio, which is around $48,500 for BTC. So this will be the range, guys. So we have candle wicks here, previous rejection for Bitcoin. So this is from $42,500 up to $45,000. This is a huge zone, guys, 5 to 6%. So what will be the possible indicator and signal for a reversal? So right now, the overall trend, we are still in an overall uptrend, guys. And always remember, that trend is your friend until it ends. So right now, the trend is in an overall uptrend. And this is, if you're going to check, this will be our next possible resistance and confluence point here. Previous rejection area here at around 31,000. And we have a confluence here. Zone resistance in confluence with this resistance trend line. So this will give us around this area, 43,800. This will be the next zone, guys, and possible rejection point for Bitcoin. So keep an eye on this. Again, always check the price action before entering a short position. So you, once the price reach this level, check if there is any sell pressure like this. Sell pressure, and of course you need to look at the candles as well. If there are any reversal candles like this one right here, reversal candle, that will be our signal or possible sign for a reversal. For now, this is still looking very bullish, breaking above this channel, guys. This was the previous channel for BTC, and this is right now trading above this channel. So if, let's check this possible target for this flag, guys. This is not a bull flag because bull flag is supposed to be looking like this, but this one is going up. So let's just check and measure the length of the pole. So from this, we get this target right here. So this is still in confluence with the zone resistance and breakout target for this flag. I don't know, I'm not sure what type of flag is this, but we'll try to measure it using this pole right here. So breakout target is at 44,000, and this is in confluence with our resistance trend line, zone resistance, and the breakout target for this flag pattern. So that's for BTC, guys. We still have this bearish divergence, a small bearish divergence forming on the oscillator, and oscillator on the daily time frame is approaching the overbought area. So possible correction at around this area, guys. So for now, For me, no trade zone for Bitcoin. I will not enter long at around this level. I will not enter short at around this level. I would wait for a possible reversal. Then that's the time we can ride the waves. For now, let's just chill out and take profit on this altcoins that we have previously discussed. So let me check the chart request. What happened? 41K right now. The adventure of Kita. It is possible to dump 30K. So what will be the possible target if Bitcoin gets rejected from this level here? So support will be this area right here. We have a support trend line. Eventually, Bitcoin is going to revisit this previous breakout point and support, guys. But for now, this is still, again, in an overall uptrend. But there will be a correction for sure. There is no chart in crypto or in stock market that goes up without any correction. So there will be corrections along the way. So for short term, we need to trade it per zone, guys. So the next zone that we are talking about here will be this area from 37 up to $45,000 for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin breaks this support, then that's the time we are going to look at this possible key support level. So this will be our key support level, guys. This was the previous resistance and breakout point. Look at this, several rejections at around this area, guys. Previous pivot point here, another rejection here, another rejection here. This previous resistance will now act as a support for Bitcoin. So if in case we'll see a correction, this will be the major or the key support level for Bitcoin, guys. 31,200 up to $33,000. This is still inside this bigger channel. This will be the bigger channel, and we have several confluence at around this area. So you will have higher chances of seeing a rejection or possible correction near this zone resistance, 44 up to $45,500 for Bitcoin. Again, Fibonacci 61.8 remains at around $49,000 for BTC.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All my fellas. So we have a lot of questions actually in the chat section. Main idea. That is why majority are getting wrecked, guys, because you focus on the main idea. Again, don't focus on the main idea, guys, because the main idea doesn't play out. What altcoin narrative to trade right now? We have several chart requests here. So this is supposed to be a quick live stream. All right, my book map is loading. Let's just check the support and possible liquidity zones for BTC. CME gap at 40,000 according to, I think it was Look A. So liquidity zones for BTC, we have actually huge liquidity, guys. Let me share this with you. We have a huge liquidity at around 44 to 45,000 BTC. So let me pull up my book map. All right. So here's book map, guys. Look at this level here. Huge amount of liquidity at $44,000. So this could be the next possible target for Bitcoin. This is in confluence with our zone resistance, guys. You see this level right here, 847 BTC is waiting at around this area here, 44,000. And if you're going to look at the chart of Bitcoin, this is in confluence with our zone resistance here, $44,000. $44,000. Zone resistance in confluence with the resistance trend line here. And of course, looking at Bookmap, we have a huge liquidity. 847. This is live, guys. This is live using Bookmap. $44,000. So we might see a liquidity grab at around this level. So that's my analysis for Bitcoin. BTC pumping to 57 to 58. A perfect rejection with a pump. The alts to new highs. ETH still need $200, $300 candle. I'm still holding my Ethereum trade, by the way. And if you are in our free Telegram group, I've shared most of the charts here. So Ethereum long, still in play. ETC near the final target. ARB long, I have shared several updates here, guys. Polygon Matic, breakout play. Let's check what happened to this chart, by the way. Polygon Matic. Breakout play. Let's see what happened to this chart. Wow, Polygon Matic, guys, is also up. Guys. Medium order block level and final target for this remains at 0.85 up to 0.86 for Polygon Matic. Beautiful, beautiful trade here, guys. This was the initial entry here. Perfect breakout play for Polygon Matic. Beautiful, beautiful. What else do we have here? So this was the previous chart that I've shared, guys. DYDX, perfect long entry as well. So beautiful trades. SLP, someone is requesting for SLP. Is any one of you here playing Axie Infinity? Because I think most of the people who are requesting for SLP are playing Axie Infinity. I've actually told my friends when during the peak of Axie Infinity to sell or to sell their SLP before December or before the end of 2022, because I'm expecting a dump, guys. Because if you have been following me on this channel, we are expecting bottom on November. November 14 was the expected bottom for Bitcoin, and exactly on November 14 we have seen Bitcoin hit the this was the video that I have made, I think, for this one. I have made a video analysis for Bitcoin last 2022 when Bitcoin was trading at around, I think, 45 or it's above $30,000. And I was expecting 14K on November 10, 2022. Exactly on November 10, 2022, Bitcoin dropped to $15,000. So SLP, I'll just check this in spot. Ooh, SLP is doing good. It's actually pumping. So we have huge resistance, guys. 18 billion SLP. That's why we are seeing a rejection here at around this level. 18 billion XLP, SLP, not XLP. So huge order block. Possible resistance for SLP at around this area here, 2768 up to 2968 level. But this is still in an overall downtrend, guys. We have a trend line here. It's actually about to break out. All right. So we have a huge resistance here, guys. So for now, this will be the trading range for SLP. We have our support at around this level, 2206, and huge resistance at around 2919 up to 2919. If Bitcoin continues to move up, then there will be a possibility that SLP could reach up to this level here for short term, but this is still in an overall downtrend, guys, for SLP. And also, I'm not familiar, but this is the, I think, the reward. I don't know if they have any update for Axie, but this is the reward for Axie. So the supply continues to increase, I think, if I'm correct, for SLP. So that is why we are seeing the price continues to move down. There are, I think, you can use SLP to buy some items on Axie. I'm not really sure. But as far as I remember, this is the reward when you play like the actual game, Axie Infinity. So this will be the resistance for SLP, and we have a pivot point here, guys. Pivot point. Previous pivot point for SLP. So just in case if SLP manages to break, I'm expecting the price to consolidate here, then maybe eventually break this level and hit this target here. So this will be my possible price action for short term for SLP. How about Luna Classic? We have actually a lot of chart requests. So I think that's it for today, guys. I just want to give you a very quick update on the Bitcoin chart. And of course, if Bitcoin continues to pump, most of the altcoin are going to follow. But again, I'm not trading micro caps or altcoins. I'm just trading Bitcoin and major altcoins like Ethereum. I have the green list here. So these are just the cryptos that I'm trading most of the time. So Polygonmatic, ADA, mostly the top 10 cryptos in CoinMarketCap. That is the cryptos that I am trading on leverage most of the time. But altcoins, it's super high risk to trade. Not really recommending our micro caps. If you want to trade micro caps, that will be pure degen. So again, trade at your own risk, manage your risk always, because right now, let's check the greed is almost over near the green zone here, which is the extreme greed level, guys. So be careful. Market is going crazy right now. We have top movers here. Luna Classic is up by 49%. What is Gorilla? Up by 139%. So I think that's it for today, guys. Ethereum is at 2,254. We are near the final take profit zone, which is $2,300 for Ethereum, guys. So that's it for today. I think my screen is showing the book map. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. Again, trade safely, protect your assets at all times. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and click that notification bell. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.